what do you want to become in your life?
Firstly, I want to become being a human, and then
Are you not a human? He is saying I want to become human. He is a human, right?
everyone is
Right now you are
human.
girls.
So,
Everyone is human, but firstly, honest people.
honest person.
Honest
So it means you are jhutha person? You are saying I want to become honest person. It means you are not honest, right?
No, sir. I want to become.
So it means you are not honest. That's why you want to become honest,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Every time, sir. I want to try.
So you are not honest all the times.
No, sir. Sometimes
You tell
we mistakes.
We make mistake.
We make mistakes.
Making mistake is not dishonesty.
Yes, sir. Making mistake is not an.
Of course. For example, is this dishonesty? It is also my mistake that I did.
It is, yes, sir.
So?
Yes, sir. I want to become firstly.
What?
First, success.
He's not clear about his target.
Good human.
Good human.
Good human.
It means you are not a good human.
No.
So
So I am try to. I am to try to
I'm trying to.
learn something new and try to be being a perfect man.
Perfect man.
Yes.
That's fine. Means you are not perfect right now, but there's a very,
everyone is-
but there is a very good
everyone is
line.
not,
There's a very good line that nobody is perfect and
Nobody is
nobody can
perfect,
become perfect. Then how are you targeting to become perfect?
No, I am not targeting for perfect, but I want to become a perfect man. Yeah.
Best of luck for that. Continue, please. Proceed.
Hello, sir. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Yunus.
Okay, sir. What do you want to become in your life, sir?
I want to become a businessman.
Businessman.
Yeah,
Why? What is the reason behind it?
because I need a lot of money.
Oh my God.
Everybody's like me.
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Come on.
Also, you want to become like Mukesh Ambani.
No,
So, you have enough money. So why do you need more money?
because it's a confidential matter.
Of course, right? Come on.
It's confidential.
It is confidential. He cannot tell you.
You are living in India, so
Yeah.
you can survive easily, under.
Without money.
No,
sir.
I can't survive here without money. Without
He
a lot
wants to
of
become,
money.
sir, like a
Businessman.
Mukesh Ambani.
No, not Mukesh Ambani. Businessman.
Okay. What was his motive? Do you remember?
He wants to become a teacher.
He
He's also become teacher.
he
He's a good human,
he wants to become
Become good human.
perfect person. He
businessman, sir.
now talk to him.
Hello, sir. Where are you from? I'm from Nepal. Nepal? Yes. You are telling lie. You are from, I think, sir, Bihar, sir.
No, sir.
He's from Nepal.
Really?
So you're doubting at his nationality?
Oh my- no, sir. I'm so sorry for that because I am confused, sir.
Don't
Yes,
be
sir.
confused, otherwise I will refuse.
Okay, sir.
Come on, yeah.
Sir,
Have
What
words
do you
with
want to become, sir, in your life?
I want to become successful man.
a successful man.
Successful man.
Man, women.
I listen, sir. Banner, sir.
But, no, man. He wants to become successful man.
So everybody just like become same.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
What is success according to you? Excuse me, come
First of all,
on.
tell.
Everyone want to become a successful.
Everyone
also
wants to become.
wants to become successful man. I also become successful man.
I also want to.
So
Want
what
to.
is the meaning of successful?
Of course.
What do you don't know?
What is the actual definition of being success?
I want to businessman.
I want to become businessman.
Become.
There are so many jhurral businessmen, right? But they are not successful, right?
Yes.
Starting a business doesn't mean to become successful, right?
Yes.
So you also want to become. Everybody just wants to become only Mukesh, like a Mukesh Ambani.
No, sir. Everyone.
So
You don't have motive in life?
you don't know what should I become in my life.
Don't be hopeless. Are you hopeless?
No, sir.
So tell, why? Why business? Why explain in your words, brother? Come on. You can do it. I know.
Student, I should become Mukesh, sorry, businessman.
Businessman.
There is any reason?
I want to.
I want to. I want to.
Say, sir.
I want to marry in America. Oh, what may be the reason actually, right? Come on, have words with him. Think we are coming back.
Oh my God, your personality look like sir Salman Khan.
Your personality is look like?
No, personality is look like Salman Khan.
Looks like.
Your person, it represent infinite, I think.
हाँ दिख रही है ना आपकी personality तो
Your personality
looks like
Salman Khan.
oh,
What is the
really?
reason?
Of course.
You are from also Nepal?
Never shake hand longer. It must be at least 3 seconds. Continue, please. Come on.
So same question. What do you want to become in your life?
I want to join defense forces.
Wow.
Wow. It means you want to become in defense.
You want to become
I want to
defense?
join.
You want to join defense, yes.
Oh, sorry, sir.
My goodness, I want to become. Huh.
So there are so many, sir, defense in defense line.
Of course.
So what do you think?
You know, in my village where I belong, nobody is there in defense forces.
Right.
And my brother was used to prepare for that, but due to some reason he can't. But I want to make their dream successful.
My
That's why I
goodness.
want to join.
So because of somebody you want to become something?
No, sir, somebody is not, because in my village there is nobody. In
My goodness.
where I belong, nobody is in defense force.
So in future somebody tells you that nobody is doctor, so you will start becoming doctor?
No, sir, I will not.
You will not.
No, sir.
So why do you want to go in defense? Do you have any Bhartiyata in your heart?
Yes, sir. Not if you go there in defense, you can serve your nation. Is not like you can serve, but it does mean कि if you will in here, then you can also serve your nation.
That is the point I wanted to say. You can serve anyway.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But sir, it's a dream to wear the uniform. Actually, I am in a
You can buy a uniform from Aminabad.
no, sir.
Different, sir.
Sir,
Oh,
if
yeah,
you
of course.
authorized uniform, then it will be better for us, na?
It will make us, feel proud.
Yes, sir.
What was his motive?
He wants to become businessman.
He?
Sir, he's confused about his life.
He?
He's a defense. He wants to go in defense line.
Of course.
Yeah.
He wants to go in defense or he wants to become defense?
No, and he wants to go in defense line.
Beautiful. Don't say I want to become medicine.
Yeah. Sometimes, sir, I'm confused.
Don't be confused, right? Yeah, please have words.
Sasi brother. I know very well about him.
Really?
Yeah.
Without asking, tell me, what does he want to become?
But he's also confused about his life.
Really?
I'm not confused.
See, he's saying I'm not confused.
According to me, sir.
I am clear in my life.
I'm clear in my life. Really? I'm clear in my life. What a cute English you are speaking, buddy. So tell what you want to become. I think you should ask, right? Came out.
What do you want to become?
I want to become engineer.
Engineer.
Yeah.
How are you talking, sir? Talk like this, came out. Yeah.
Why? There are so many
Because,
already sir become engineer, but they are on unemployment.
No, this
Or
is
they are unemployment.
They
They are unemployed.
they are unemployed.
Yes.
Yeah.
because this is my dream, sir.
This is my dream.
Yeah.
My good. No, you're making him hopeless.
No, sir.
Don't do that.
He's my friend. So that's
Really? Yeah. Have words with him. Come on.
yes. Hello, sir. Where you want to become?
I want to become a good English speaker.
Oh my God. Why?
Why? Because I want to I want to that when I said in front of some people, so I get stuck too
My
much.
goodness.
So that's why I become in English.
It's good for me.
Yes. No, sir. He wants to.
That's why he came here. Right.
It's not good for you, sir.
It is good for me because he's getting stuck.
No, sir. He is he will start in.
Well, when someone is not good in English, that's why he comes here.
Yeah.
If he is good, why will he come here?
Yes, sir.
So it's good for me.
Your Kandari is banned.
Huh? Of course, yes. Somehow, right? You understood later, buddy. Yeah, so have words, please.
So, you want to become English teacher?
No. I become a good English speaker.
Speaker.
Speaker like motivator.
Not DJ speaker, buddy. Come on.
Speaker. Oh my God.
Speaker.
Of course.
Yes.
Speaker, right?
So it is your last year of dream. You want to become teacher. So what is what is the source of money?
Somehow he's right.
You can say what is the source of my income.
Yeah, in future.
In
what
future.
Will be? Yeah,
So
exactly.
I wanna say like.
Yeah, like after becoming a speaker, what will you do so that you could generate revenue?
I think no,
Yeah, I mean, how? No, he's not confused. He can do it.
but I can't speak
Like
in
calves.
English.
You can do it, buddy. Come on, think.
When I thought,
Yeah.
yes, how to motivate people.
So you want to motivate people?
Yes,
Why should people listen to you?
The question is, sir,
Oh.
after becoming good speaker, what will you do for money?
So he's telling now will motivate people.
so yes, you can say कि after becoming a motivated speaker, I can't earn money.
No.
What?
According to
So why are you asking me for question?
Oh, he's debating? Oh my God. He's debating with you. Say sorry. Say I'm sorry. Acha, he should say sorry. Okay, have words with him.
Hello, good morning. Hello.
सुनेगा
What?
he's a singer sir, he's a singer.
Oh, so you are violating this discussion actually, right?
No sir.
Come on, sunega. What do you mean by sunega?
So sir, this is a song. It is a very famous in India. If you want to listen sir, so
I will listen
He will
after
sing.
some time, subsequently, right?
so what do you want to become, brother?
I want to become NDA officer.
India officer. So
LDA?
NDA.
Oh, I thought Lucknow Development Authority.
so what are you doing nowadays for NDA?
NDA is very good.
No, my question is
You want to become NDA?
Yeah, NDA.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you want to become NDA. How it is possible? Yeah.
Yeah. Still,
it means I just
Why do you want to join? Like, why do you want to become officer?
I want to join with a very personality and good.
What good?
Good and your future after your future is good and
Your present is good. Why do you want to make future good?
your country is development up.
So you want to develop country?
Yeah.
Because without you, country is not developing, right? Something for. I think we should switch. Yeah. What do you ask?
Hello, sir. The same question. What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a translator.
Translator. English translator.
Yes.
So after complete this, where will you do? Where will you go?
Where will you go?
I will go after study.
So where will you go? Where?
I will go Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
And he will translate English there. Come on. Of course, Arabic to English, English to
Sir,
Arabic.
in Saudi Arabia, there are so many people speaking already English.
My goodness, yeah.
So
No, he is a student of CAF, sir, right?
Oh.
People will value him so much because of well taught.
there are so many people present there, but many people are rejected.
Many people, don't say peoples. Many people.
Many people are rejected, but after that I will join.
If the people are rejected, then he will rejoin there. And he will join there. He is waiting for somebody's rejection. Really? Yes. How dangerous you are. You're waiting for somebody's rejection? Yes, sir. No problem. Yeah, come on.
The same question. What do you want to become in your life?
Want to become a HSC officer.
Do you know that?
Say again.
Kaichi officer?
officer.
Oh, I thought Kaichi officer. Come on.
No, sir. HSC.
What is that?
Health and Safety Officer.
Health and safety. So speak complete word. Why are you speaking HEC officer? We got confused actually, right? We are not knowledgeable. Yeah, please.
So
Why?
why? Why do you want to become
HS. Safety Officer is a very easy. Easy. Of the 6-month course, NIBOS IGC is the course is UK level. I want.
So you wanna go UK?
Yeah.
Uttarakhand?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I want to go abroad.
You want to earn money also.
Yeah.
Sir, everybody just wants to live in India, sir. So who will live in India?
I mean, you should tell that.
So
You also wanna go.
Capsar will in India as well as.
Capsar is not gonna be in India.
Why?
Capsar has to pass away.
I have also passport.
I have to go there. No passport.
On the moon.
I have to go.
I also want to go with you, sir.
When he pass away, it means die.
Yeah, also. I'm also.
If I die, will you cry?
Yeah, no, sir.
No. Sing now. Please have words with him. Hurry up.
Hello, brother.
I know very well about you. Really? What do you want to become in your life?
I want to be philanthropist.
My goodness.
Philanthropist.
Philanthropist.
Philanthropist. A good person.
A good person.
The person who has mankind, humanitarian.
He's already a good person.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
But I don't think so that I'm a good person. I'm trying to be good.
According to you are not good person. But you can ask. And you can, you are not judge yourself by yourself.
Yeah, we should have.
What do you want to become in your life?
I once became IFS. I want to become IFS officer.
IFS?
Indian Foreign Service. You know?
Yes, exactly.
So I don't know, sir.
So ask him.
Tell me about this post. I don't know.
This is UPSC that provided IFS.
After clear UPSC, you can join.
You can join. Of course. Yes.
What did he want to become?
He's a businessman, sir.
What he?
He's confused.
He?
Defense.
He?
He's an engineer.
Yes.
He's a teacher, good speaker.
Of course.
Defense and NDA.
He wants to become.
He wants to be in. He wants to go in India.
Yes.
He's a go outside for a translator. Like he wants to become a safety officer. He's a good man.
Good man.
What means, sir? He wants
Philanthropist.
philanthropy. He's recent, sir. I don't know his course because very difficult.
IFS.
IFS, sir. Yeah, IFS.
Please.
Hello. Hello, sir. What do you want to become in your life?
The same question.
I want to become a dynamic speaker.
Dynamic.
Oh my God! I thought I want to become Dine. All right, you want to become dynamic speaker?
Yes, sir.
Any question, please?
Yes, sir. You already, sir.
You are a dynamic speaker, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why?
Hello, sir.
You talk to him.
know, sir.
I didn't know. Oh, he's mine. Of course. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
The same question. What do you want to become?
I want to be a teacher.
You want to become a teacher?
Yes, sir.
So what kind of teacher?
It doesn't matter what kind of teacher.
My goodness.
Sir, I only want to teach because I love to teach.
Yeah, it is good for India, sir. Please don't live in India.
No, I will not
Don't live in India.
Live India.
Don't leave India.
Don't leave India.
हाँ, don't leave India मत छोड़ो ना. तो don't leave India.
Don't
Don't leave India. India. It means India में मत रहो.
Hello.
sir. The same question is, what do you want to become in your life?
I want to become which I wanted.
Which I wanted. What did you want?
I want to become cleaner.
I wanted to become clear.
Cleaner.
Cleaner. What do you want to say?
I want to say that I want to become cleaner of poverty from India.
Eradicator.
Okay. And before becoming this, I want to become a businessman.
Beautiful.
Hello. Yes. Namaskar.
Please, sir.
So she is girl. What do you mean by that? If she is girl, you will say namaskar. To boys, you will not say namaskar.
Yes, sir. This is all my friends.
Achha, she's not your friend. How cute you are, Kema.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a teacher, PGT teacher, postgraduate teacher.
Oh,
Yes.
fine.
He wants to become teacher, sir.
What kind of teacher?
Yeah, there are.
Teacher, postgraduation teacher.
Do you know about PGT?
Yeah, I know, sir.
Okay, so tell me what is
After,
PGT?
sir, after complete clear your
Clearing.
clearing B.Ed degree, you are able to join.
And BA degree, then you can, you will be, yes, you can apply for the PGT.
So why did you decide to become a teacher?
Sir, I like to teach the students. Sir, I'm very interested in teaching, so that's why I want to become.
Nice, beautiful. Come on.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
The same question is, what do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a cabin crew.
Cabin crew.
Keep it.
Cabin, sir.
No problem.
Cabin.
Yeah.
Cabin. So why? There are so many, sir, in field in India. Why did you choose?
Because I like this job, that's why.
You like?
Yeah.
So I like, sir, moon, sir. I will go on the moon.
Yeah, of course you can
I
go.
have capability to become a cabin crew, that's why I am choose cabin crew.
Sorry for that.
Why are you afraid?
I'm not afraid, sir.
Yes.
Girls, sir, that's why. Sir. Yeah, sir, you can ask.
Ask the same question. What does she want to become? Talk to her. Say hi.
So I'm not talking.
You are new. You're not talking. Why? I mean, you are new. You cannot talk. She's also new. She can talk.
So I am basic not clear.
Basic not clear. For talking, you don't need basic. For talking, just talk. All right. Say hello. Hello. You can say only. Come on.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good.
So what are you doing here?
My
I am going practice English.
So when did you come here?
So
When? Time.
shall we
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Arya Gond. And you?
My name is Mohit Kumar.
Where are you from?
I am from Devariya district.
What does she want to become? Ask.
So what?
What do you want to become?
What do you want to become us?
Us? What do you want to become only?
I want to.
You have to ask her.
So I know.
Okay. Talk to me.
What is your name?
Sadhna. My name is Sadhna. And yours?
My name is Mohit Kumar. Where are you from?
I'm from Lucknow itself.
ये हथवा कहाँ पीछे है जी? ऐसे करो. Yes.
I'm from Lucknow itself. And you?
I am from the district.
Okay. What do you want to become?
I want to become safety officer.
That's why you are learning English?
Yes. देखो लड़के इतने अच्छे से बात करते हैं. मैं यार पूरा दौर. Hey guys. Yes sir. Done. Late comers, how are you? Some people are waiting there. Param? Are Param is garam there. He's talking. Heavy. So first of all, everybody, thank you for joining us today. All. It is for observation actually, right? Did you see the poster? Yeah. What was there?
It was a kind of going to see around the people,
Right.
the society.
Beautiful.
Find some business.
Find some business. Okay. I mean, it is an outdoor observation, guys. I will be giving you 5 members and 1 captain. You together have to have conspiracy. You have to have kind of planning, observing outside. I will give you 1 day to observe. Because after this observation, you have to write so many things. You have to have some ideas that how to have one startup. कैसे एक नया, कैसे पैसा कमाया जाए, कैसे बिजनेस किया जाए. आप अपने ग्रुप के साथ एक रणनीति रचोगे. Maybe 6 groups will be there. I will be listening each and every group. The person who will speak the best, the person who will have the best idea will be appreciated and will be certified from Will Talk actually. Understood? So I would like to divide first of all team, and I will be choosing some of the people, and then I will make you go from here. I myself will come with you outside. We will go to the shops. We will go to shopkeepers. We will observe so many things and have our own idea. Understood? Yes, sir. So dear senior.
We have to see the need and requirement of the people.
To book, open the app, you check the waiters list, what they have.
I think there is one application called an ambulance comes, right?
I'm not saying that ambulance. I'm saying like ambulance available 24/7 for the people. So in the same way, we will also available for the people.
Avail.
Yes, sir.
For confidence building, it is good.
We want to utilize the garbage things.